Biden and his team step into the White House?
Well, I think a lot of it is going to depend on Senate control. Biden is going to first name the White House jobs, that the people that actually work in the White House, his top aides. Those don't need Senate confirmation. Those are they serve at the pleasure of the president and the president only. So I think he's going to probably try to start with those jobs first, and then partly because he wants to be careful and take his time, and partly because we don't know what the Senate confirmation process will be like. I think then he's going to, between Thanksgiving and Christmas, begin to roll out some names of cabinet members. And I think if it looks like there's going to be Democratic control of the Senate, he might go a little further left than he would if he had to face if this person has to get through Mitch McConnell.
Right.
Then they may be more moderate.
What's the role of Kamala Harris, his vice president-elect, in helping shape this team?
Well, he has said that she will have the same privilege that he had under President Obama, which is that she will be the last person in the room giving advice. And if he is true to that promise to her, then I see no reason why he wouldn't be. Then she should have a pretty big say in things.
Hey, one last question, and I always love kind of the what's going on behind closed doors. At this point, President-elect Biden, is he getting all the briefings or the key ones when it comes to security, when it comes to the virus, as does Donald Trump, the president?
Well, he is getting his own virus briefings from the coronavirus task force that he named today. Many of these people were already advising him on the campaign. He named 13 more today, and they are going to turn his campaign promises on the virus into policy. In terms of security briefings, he's been getting those ever since he was the nominee.
Okay. All right. That's how it works. Hey, good stuff as always. Thank you so much, Wendy. We know you guys are busy and the whole team in D.C., so thank you so much for carving out some time for us. Bloomberg News politics editor Wendy Benjaminson. Go check out all of the D.C. coverage. You can find it at Bloomberg.com. Wendy, of course, joining us from the nation's capital. Coming up, we're going to check in with our Dave Wilson, his chart of the day, see what's cooking there. And then Abhay Deshpande is going to come back and talk to us about the investment environment and what he is seeing and what it's like going forward. You're listening to Bloomberg Business Week, and this is Bloomberg.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Broadcasting live to New York, Bloomberg 1130. To Washington, D.C., Bloomberg 99.1. To Boston, Bloomberg 106.1. To San Francisco, Bloomberg 960. To the country, Sirius XM Channel 119. And around the globe, the Bloomberg Business app and BloombergRadio.com. This is Bloomberg Business Week.
Yes, indeed. Bloomberg Business Week on this Monday. I'm Carol Masser. So stocks definitely off their highs of the day, but we still have a pretty significant rally when it comes to the S&P and Dow. We're going to talk a little bit more about the markets, get the chart of the day from Dave Wilson in just a moment. In the meantime, back to your top business stories and Doug Krisner. Doug,
hey,
check
Carol.
out this rally.
Yeah, I mean, but you pointed out, and you're absolutely right, we're well off the best level of the day. There are two prongs to a lot of what's driving the price action today. The first and foremost, this large-scale coronavirus vaccine study. It's a COVID-19 shot. It actually would be delivered in two stages. It's been jointly developed by Pfizer and Germany's BioNTech. It was, by the way, found to have prevented more than 90% of infections. If you look at the trading right now in Pfizer, stock is up by about 8.3% right now, and ADRs in BioNTech better by about 15%. So you mentioned the equity market being off session highs. Right now, the S&P is up about